What's up, guys? So last year, Christian from Kalye celebrated his birthday and Kalye's 9-year anniversary. During this live stream, there were multiple giveaways, and I somehow managed to win one. Package finally came in, so we're gonna unbox it and I'll show you guys what I got.
Okay, now it's picking.
Onyx fingerboards.
Chat. Onyx fingerboard.
Let me take a photo. Show him what you got.
Alright, Onyx. Alright.
Alright, let's get this package open. So this giveaway was a really cool one. You know, we didn't give away just one thing for everyone. We all got about 2 to 4 items each. So, shout out to Christian. Still can't believe I won. I really didn't expect it. So first up, we got this little card that was signed by Jake, Christian, and Dahan. So thank you guys. Definitely will be keeping this in a safe place. We got a weasel rat sticker sheet. We got some dungeon crawl board rails. I don't really use board rails, but I'll definitely keep these in the stash. Shout out to Dungeon Crawl, Manny G. And some flat face wheels. So I had no idea what wheels these were. Shout out to Mike for letting me know. These are flat face G6Os, the O material, also known as the Black River Edition. And we got some apathy bushings, loose. These will go well with these dynamic trucks I have with green base plates. Super hyped on that. And last but not least, we got this super rare stacked embossed deck, 32 millimeter. Lately I've been riding 26 and 29 here and there, but 32 is probably the biggest I'd ride. So contemplating if I want to set this up or just keep it in the stash for now. Comment below if you want a stack deck setup video. Here's the mold. It seems like it's a medium mold. Mellow concave. That's everything. Shout out to Christian. Thanks again. Peace.